For manufacturers, machine downtime is the worst-case scenario. Every minute halted production costs money, leads to delays, and impacts customer satisfaction. Machine and process errors can't always be avoided, but resolving them quickly is critical. But figuring out what went wrong is often like searching for a needle in a haystack. Surveillance cameras? Hours of footage to sift through. Thermal imaging or vibration sensors? You know something happened, but not why. Software solutions? High costs, poor real-time results. And for production lines running at millisecond speeds, traditional tools fail to keep up. Introducing the Industrial DashCam 1000, the solution for precise error detection. Unlike other systems, it records only when an event occurs, at up to 1,000 frames per second. You choose how the monitoring is set up. Option 1. Smart triggering, connected to a sensor or a PLC in the system. The camera records 10 seconds before, after, or around the event. The video can then be played offline and in slow motion. Option 2. The heartbeat mode regularly monitors the error-free status. If this signal is absent, a video recording is automatically triggered. The camera is compact and easily installed, even for inaccessible areas. Whether it's optimizing machine setup during product or batch changes, detecting sporadic issues like film tearing, or remotely diagnosing errors across the globe, the DashCam saves time, reduces downtime, and minimizes material waste. Visit our website now to explore the Industrial DashCam 1000 and schedule a consultation with our experts.